So hi guys, welcome back to today's session. So today's session is a very interesting session. So if you've ever wondered where you can get food recipes you like cooking, and if you've ever wondered where you can get food recipes of the food you want to cook on the food you like cooking but you don't have the recipe, really normal. So here I have a small app I have developed that gives you access to search for any recipe you want, get all the recipe, and after that you can actually use the recipe to cook whatever you want to cook. So the site is called Lonet Recipes. It's a site that actually showcases the innovation that we are progressing with. So on the homepage here, we have just some few carousel to show you more about the system. This is the about page, the homepage. I mean, so we have few. It has a very few things. So the main page here, main concern here is the recipe page. So on the recipe page, as you can see here, it has some recipe listed here. It has a search button which search for any recipe. Let's say like something like let's say you want to cook samosa and you don't know how to cook them, so you just come here and you have seen the samosa here. So just click more details and here you have all the ingredients you need and the instruction to follow when you are cooking your recipe. Let's go back. You can also filter by categories as they have been listed here. So let's say like you want something, a suggestion for your breakfast, you just click breakfast and all the food that you can or all the food that you can eat for your breakfast are listed. Things like chapati, sweet potatoes, pancakes, mm, and other things are listed. So homemade mandazi, mm, you know, all the food that you want for the breakfast are listed. So maybe you can take one and maybe try to cook or things like that. So these categories helps you to filter things by what you want. If you want dessert, just load by dessert. You give it some time to load, it loads, and the image are loaded. So you can see, so you have everything that you want here for dessert. You can choose one and cook. So the best thing here is that you have freedom to choose anything you want. Let's say like nyama choma, not found, or let's say nyama. Oh, interesting. So some recipes are not there, but majority of them are there. So we shall just I shall be going updating the recipes as time goes. So hope this will help you with those who like cooking. This one can help you a lot. So just I'll just put the link in the description so that you can copy and go see and look for your food that you like. And if the food is not there, you can maybe write me a message and you'll come to my WhatsApp, so I will respond it and look for the recipe and upload it for you. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something new. And another best thing is that you can add a recipe to the favorite. Let's say you have searched for a recipe, let's say like pilau, and you have actually like that recipe and you don't want to keep searching the recipe. So just add it to your favorite, and when you come to the favorite page, you can see it's here. So you just come here, drop here. You have the ingredients and the instruction of way to cook your pilau. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something new. See you on the next one. Bye bye.